The green screen needs to be put away as well. Easiest way to put away the green screen is right hand at top at 12 o'clock, left hand at like 9 o'clock. And I like to put my toe right there so it doesn't move. And then I'm going to push down and pull backwards. So it twists. It's going to twist together in front of me. And then this part is also going to clamp down, making it like a sandwich with our 3 layers. Might need to shake it a little bit to even out the hoops. But once it's collapsed, you just stick it in its zippy bag. And you okay, to close up the green screen, I like to put my toe here. 9 o'clock with my left hand, 12 o'clock with the right hand. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to push down as I pull backwards, and it's going to curve down in the middle here. I'm actually going to let it twist completely in front, pull that edge up, and then pull this one down to match. Now I got like 3 different size hoops, so I'll just shuffle it till they're about even. Nine, 12. Now pull back and down. This is going to twist so this comes up and that goes down.